Okay, so we had extended the timeline here to 8 seconds. Again, if I hold down the Alt key, I can move that back to 6 seconds and it changes everything proportionally. Of course, with Motion Manager, you also can change the speed through these. In other words, you can force it to go 5 times as fast, 1/10 as fast to do the complete, all the operations in 3 seconds, 10 seconds. So you have a lot of flexibility there. Um, Suppose I just want to extend the timeline and maybe just after it's all together, turn it on and have the wheel spin. So in that case, instead of holding down the Alt key, I'll just grab this key and move it out to 8 seconds. So for instance, now if I play it, of course I have the camera thing turned off, but then you can see it continues on for an extra 2 seconds. So if I want to add a motor, so right now it's all together. Suppose at this point I want to make this wheel turn right there. So I'm going to just click on motor here and let's zoom in there, and that's going the wrong way, so I'm just going to hit this button to reverse the direction, and maybe I want this to spin at 25 RPM. Okay, so at this point, well, you can kind of see that motor turning. I'm going to stop it and turn on the work planes just so that we can see what's going on there. And now if I calculate this, you can see that that wheel is already spinning, right? It's spinning right from the beginning. Suppose I really don't want that to spin until it gets to 6 seconds, and then I want to see the wheels start to spin. So right here, that little diamond says that motor is on. So let's see if I can just drag that over to here. Okay, and now if I run this, you can see that the wheel's not turning, goes on. Now it starts to turn. Okay, so suppose I'd like the other wheels to turn as well. So what I could do is go back to the model. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the model here, and I'm going to I think I'm going to zoom in and just catch that edge right there and hold on the control key and catch that edge right there, hit the little paper clip and come over to here and fly out the mechanical mates and put in a gear. And of course the two circles I picked are the same, so that's really the same as a one-to-one, and I want them to go in the same direction, so I'm just going to click on reverse and accept that. Okay, and so now I'm going to go back to the motion study here, and let's see what happens now. I'll just play this, calculate this out again, and right there, now you can see that both wheels are spinning. So, and I could do the same thing with the other two wheels as well. So one of the things sometimes that would be nice to do is maybe you have a set of 4 cap screws or something that you get to the point and you want to bring those 4 cap screws in to fasten a plate or something like that. So you could actually put a motor on those cap screws, tie them all together, and have the cap screws turn as they go in. Or maybe you are putting together a sprocket box and you get it all together, just extend the timeline, maybe make one of the side plates transparent so you can see through it, and then turn on a motor to start turning the sprockets. And of course, with this mate back here, you can, let me just go to here, and it looks like I'm going to have to stop and pick up with one more video.